Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Yabla for engaging language immersion, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin your journey with Yabla, visit their official website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your necessary information, including your email address and a secure password. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation message. Once verified, log into your new Yabla account. Explore the landing page to familiarize yourself with the platform's layout. Select your target language from the available options. Navigate to the content library, where you'll find a variety of videos designed for language immersion. Choose a video that interests you and click on it to begin watching. Use the interactive features, such as subtitles, to enhance your understanding. Pause and replay sections to catch nuances in pronunciation and context. Take advantage of the vocabulary lists provided with each video. Regularly engage with the exercises and quizzes associated with each lesson. Set a consistent schedule for your language practice sessions. Track your progress by checking the statistics section in your account. Join community forums or discussion groups to connect with other learners. Consider subscribing for access to premium content and features. Utilize Yabla's mobile app for learning on the go. Engage with cultural context provided within the videos for deeper insights. Experiment with different types of content to keep your learning experience fresh. Remember to be patient with yourself as you learn and enjoy the process of immersion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.